I struggled with my weight for over 20 years, caught in a horrible dieting cycle, and I ended up heavier than when I'd first started dieting. Then I discovered intermittent fasting and lost over 40 pounds in a matter of months. Here are the top 5 things I wish I had known sooner about intermittent fasting, which would have helped me lose weight even sooner. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Linda, and I lost over 40 pounds by adopting an intermittent fasting lifestyle. Now I'm on a mission to help as many women as possible lose weight naturally with intermittent fasting, whole foods nutrition, and mindful living. The first one is one that is absolutely critical to understand and was completely eye-opening. It was understanding the critical role that insulin plays in weight loss. I used to think insulin was something that I didn't have to worry about. That was just something that someone with diabetes needed to worry about. I couldn't have been more wrong. Here's the thing about insulin. Your body will not burn stored fat if insulin is present because insulin signals the body to store fat. Anytime you eat, your blood sugar levels go up. This signals the pancreas to release insulin to bring those blood sugar levels down. So if you're eating all the time, it means insulin is being produced all the time. So the signal to store fat is on all the time. So even if you're restricting calories, you still might have trouble losing weight if you're constantly eating throughout the day and you're keeping those insulin levels elevated throughout the day. By following an intermittent fasting lifestyle where you have periods of eating and periods of fasting, you're allowing your body to reduce overall insulin levels and the opportunity to tap into stored fat for energy. By eating in a way that manages insulin, I saw my body become more efficient at burning fat without the need of obsessing over calorie counts. This brings me to the next thing that I wish I had known sooner, which is a big myth we hear all the time. Have you heard this one? You need to eat every 2 to 3 hours to fuel your metabolism. I followed this rule for years, making sure I ate 3 meals and 2 snacks every single day. This was because I thought by eating every 2 to 3 hours, it would keep my metabolism up. But guess what? That is not the best strategy for weight loss. Constantly eating means your insulin levels stay elevated, making it hard for your body to tap into stored fat for energy. By switching to intermittent fasting and having longer breaks between meals, I was finally able to start seeing some progress. Instead of eating constantly throughout the day, make sure you have a fasting window and an eating window. And this is important. In your eating window, depending on how long the window is, make sure you limit your eating to 2 to 3 balanced meals with at least 4 hours in between those meals, and make sure you don't have any snacks. This helps your body become more efficient at burning stored fat for energy, which will ultimately help you with your weight loss journey. The third thing I wish I had known earlier is just how much impact stress can have on your weight loss journey. When we're stressed, our bodies release cortisol, which is a hormone that triggers fat storage, particularly around the belly, which makes it hard to lose weight even if you're intermittent fasting. And here's the kicker. Chronic stress doesn't just slow down weight loss, it can stall it completely. Over time, elevated cortisol levels can disrupt your sleep. It can also increase your cravings. It can also leave you feeling drained, making it even harder to stick to a fasting routine or to maintain a balanced diet. Learning to manage stress isn't just about feeling better. It's a critical step to your weight loss journey. Some practices that have made it easier for me to manage my stress and help my weight loss journey include things like taking a daily walk outside every morning, or things like journaling and other self-care activities. These small changes have helped me to reset my mind, reduce my cortisol, and keep me on track with my fasting goals. By prioritizing stress management, not only have I seen better results with my weight loss, but there's been benefits that go beyond the scale. The fourth thing I wish I had known sooner was how important sleep is when it comes to weight loss. When you don't get enough sleep, it can lead to higher levels of cortisol and increased cravings for unhealthy food, making it harder to stick to your fasting routine and your weight loss goals. Poor sleep also affects insulin sensitivity, which can have an impact on fat burning. It's so important to make sure you get good quality sleep every single night. To do this, you have to aim for getting 7 to 8 hours of good quality sleep every night. This is something I still have to actively work on every single day. Create a relaxing bedtime routine, avoid screens an hour before bed, and keep a consistent sleep schedule. This means waking up at the same time, whether it's a weekday or the weekend. Once I started focusing on better sleep, I noticed my cravings were lower, my energy was higher, and my weight loss results were more consistent. Last but not least, something else I wish I had known sooner is that while exercise is beneficial, it's not an effective weight loss tool on its own. You can't use exercise to make up for a bad diet or poor eating habits. I tried that for years and it didn't work. Exercise supports your mood, your energy, and how you feel, but weight loss mainly comes from what you eat and how you manage your eating windows. Trying to rely on exercise alone can be completely frustrating and can take away the enjoyment of exercise. Use exercise as a way to feel good, as a way to relieve stress, and as a way to build strength. But when it comes to weight loss, focus on balancing your meals and being consistent with your fasting schedule. This approach helped me enjoy exercise even more. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more natural weight loss tips. And if you're interested in starting your intermittent fasting journey, make sure to grab the intermittent fasting starter pack by clicking on the link below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.